dog and cat's voice.
Oh.
And here's squirrel noise.
Oh.
Squeak, 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 squeak.
How's the cat noise?
Meow, meow, meow.
Oh.
I don't like mix some animals mixing noise like that. I don't like that.
Yeah, they're supposed to do just their noise, not other animals' noise.
Or
It look
maybe she
confused.
could, maybe the squirrel could allergic to something.
Yes,
Or maybe it's got a poison from something.
yes,
Maybe someone just give that squirrel a poison.
yes,
So it can transform her to be like dog and cats.
yes, I think
So
so.
it can transform her.
Let's go walk that way.
So it can transform her.
มันก็เปลี่ยนร่างเธอ from normal
From
Squirrel.
normal little squirrel to be a giant squirrel dog cat.
Yes, mix three animal together become strange.
Yes, and it also scare my kids.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and it scare my kids either. What kind of that animals look like then? What kind of that strange animals look like then? You want to show me? No. I think it could keeping a secret or something. If we try and tell that strange animal, it can't even talk to us or something.
Yes.
It's just an animal.
Do you smell flower?
But I think it's just an animal. It can't talk to a normal people. But I think it could keeping a secret about her own his own best friend dog and cats. Yes. But if she's squirrel and why she's dog and cat squirrel? Is it funny?
Yes, very funny.
เขาเล่ากันไปเล่ากัน